Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device clock and time zone are accurate and that you aren't mid-sign-in elsewhere. Next, clear the browser cache and cookies or use a private window so cached failures don't repeat. Once done, stop all simultaneous sign-in attempts on other devices. Every attempt counts toward the request limit. Finally, change networks. Switch from corporate Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or wired LAN, because rate limits often differ by IP address. Now you execute the detailed fixes. Open the Microsoft account portal in a private browser or a different browser to remove lingering session tokens. Verify and, if needed, re-add recovery options, phone, alternate email, and the Authenticator app so account validation isn't blocked. If you hit CAPTCHA, throttling, or an error that says too many requests, pause for 15 to 30 minutes. Rate limits often reset in that window. Make sure to perform a single, careful sign-in attempt after the wait. To finish, review security. Revoke app passwords and remove devices you don't recognize so automated retries stop. If you suspect compromise, perform a password reset and reconfigure multi-factor authentication, but avoid repeated resets which can trigger more limits. Once everything's set, sign in once and confirm access to mail and services. If the error persists despite waiting and cleanup, collect timestamps and error messages. Then contact Microsoft support. Provide exact times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.